On this Solving Systems quiz, the first one asks us to solve this system by graphing, and they want us to show all of our work. So, we notice the first equation is in slope-intercept form. So we have a y-intercept of positive 6. So we go up to 6 and put a point. Our slope is negative 4 over 3, which means we go down 4 and to the right 3. And after we have so many points, we connect those with a straight line. For our next equation, it's x minus 3y equals negative 3. It's in standard form. Since it's in standard form, we can find its x-intercept, y-intercept, and slope using our shortcuts. C over a is for our x-intercept, where we have negative 3 over 1. So our x-intercept is at negative 3. So on the x-axis, we're going to go to negative 3 and put a point. Our y-intercept can be found c over b, which is negative 3 over negative 3, which would be at positive 1. So we're going to go up to positive 1 and put a point. And then our slope, we could use negative a over b for our shortcut, which is negative 1 over negative 3. So we go up 1 and to the right 3. So up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3. After we have some points, we connect the line. We notice we have an intersection point that happens to be at 3, 2. So our solution to this system is 3, 2. For the next problem on the quiz, it says solve this system by substitution and show your work. So we're doing substitution, which means we need 3 columns. In the first column, I would pick the easiest equation. The first one is x plus y equals 3. Since the second equation is the easiest, we'll put it in the first column. So we have x plus y equals 3. And I'm going to solve for x. So I will subtract y from both sides, giving me x equals 3 minus y. 3 minus y is the sub for x. Next, in the second column, we're going to use the first equation since we haven't used it yet. So we have 2x minus 3y equals 16. I'm going to substitute in place of x. I'm going to put 3 minus y. So I have 2 times 3 minus y minus 3y equals 16. I'll distribute. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative y is negative 2y minus 3y equals 16. Next I'll combine like terms. So I have 6 minus 5y equals 16. Next I subtract 6 from both sides, giving me negative 5y equals 10. If I divide both sides by negative 5, I have y is equal to negative 2. Now that I know what the value of y is, I can substitute it back in to any of my previous equations. I'm going to use my sub-equation to start the third column. So I have x equals 3 minus y. In place of y, I'm going to put that it is negative 2. So 3 minus negative 2. This changes to plus a positive. So 3 plus 2 is 5, which means I have an xy coordinate pair where x is 5, y is negative 2.